With a fresh debate on whether Molnupiravir should be included in the COVID-19 treatment protocol or not, here's the chronology as to what happened over the last 2 months when it comes to how the drug became a part of the treatment globally. Here's the chronology. 4th November, the first antiviral oral drug for COVID-19, that is Molnupiravir, got approved by ICMR. ICMR chief actually said that following a rigorous review of the data by our expert scientists, we are satisfied that Molnupiravir is safe and effective for those at risk of developing severe COVID-19 disease and have granted its approval. It was then on 18th November, 8 companies applied for an approval by the Indian drug regulator, SEC, that is the subject expert committee, sought more details and updated clinical trials data from these companies before granting any further nod. Again on 6th December, the companies came back to the subject expert committee of the Indian drug regulator when again there was a discussion and again more details, additional data was being sought by these pharma majors, by the drug regulator about the ongoing Indian clinical trials. But Indian drug regulator did note in the minutes that ICMR gave market authorization. However, it needs to be asked to these companies to submit more data with respect to risk mitigation plan, fact sheet, specific category to which the drug will benefit before giving its final approval. On 23rd December, then came the US FDA approval. That is, the US FDA issued an emergency use authorization for Molnupiravir for the treatment of mild to moderate coronavirus disease infected adults with positive results who are at high risk of progression of severe COVID-19, including hospitalization or death. But it did say that Molnupiravir will be available by prescription only. After that, on 28th December, the subject expert committee of the Indian drug regulator granted emergency use authorization to Molnupiravir. Though the minutes of this particular meeting have not been uploaded as yet, as many as 13 pharma majors got an approval for EUA to manufacture and sell this particular drug in India, and Dr. Reddy's and Aurobindo Pharma have already launched the drug. But raising an alarm bell, it was on 5th January when ICMR DG Balram Bhargava actually said that there are serious safety concerns about the drug. Let's listen in to what Balram Bhargava has to say.
First of all, it is based, the US has approved it only based on 1,433 patients with a 3% reduction in serious moderate disease when given in mild cases. However, we have to remember that this drug has major safety concerns. It can cause teratogenicity, mutagenicity, and it also can cause cartilage damage and can also be damaging to muscles also. More important that it has to be effective. Contraception will have to be done for 3 months if this drug is given for male and female, because the child born could be problematic with teratogenic influences. So it is not included in the National Task Force treatment. The WHO has not included it. The UK has not included it as of now. We have still concerns about pregnancy, lactation, children, soft tissue injury, reproductive age group, history of infection, vaccinations, all those issues are there. Whatever benefit in those 1,433 patients was on unvaccinated individuals, and only 3% reduction from mild to moderate disease. So as of now, the current recommendation stands that we will, it has not part of the National Task Force treatment, and we have debated on it twice. We are going to have further debate on it to discuss whether there is any possibility.